Hey, it's PJ 437 Motorsports here again with another quick video. Today we are working on the GMC, the Big Sierra, the Duramax. Father's Day, I went to go start it to go out and have lunch with my daughter, and it did not want to have any of that. It just instantly went to clicking and shut everything off in the truck. I charged the batteries up for a day that following, I think Monday, and it fired right up. I backed it over here where I have it, and I went to move it the other day so I can get back in there where the car and stuff is and mow that, and it was dead again. So I either have some kind of parastatic, or however you say that word, draw, or the batteries have just lived their life and they don't want to put forth effort no more. So I got some new AC Delcos. That's what's in there. So I got the same thing, a little more expensive, from my local Fishers, thanks to my brother-in-law. And I'm gonna slap these jewels in. Probably just throw you on the head mount and do like a time lapse. That way it, ain't too long of a video. It's just batteries going in, but content is content. And since this truck's got two batteries in it, and there's one over there, hopefully you can see that at the angle of the camera, I'm gonna cover up, throw this positive side in a glove to hopefully keep it from arcing out. And then I'll do the same thing when I get over there. Gotta take those back for a core. I'm gonna grab the key and we'll try to fire this thing up. Oops. Definitely started up pretty easy than it has been lately. And it takes these things a while to even get the voltage up when they're idling. I don't know what that reason's for, but she seems to be good to go. Yep. Alright, well, once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, 437 Motorsports. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, comment something, anything, emoji, something. Helps the algorithm. Hope that's it right. Suck at these big words. To get the videos out, shares the page more, gets it in front of more people, helps the channel grow. Thanks again.